Do you know what? Something was said to me in work the other day. You drivers only like new vehicles. Right, that person obviously does not know me. 1978? 1984? With a tape deck? Year 2000, 350,000 miles on the clock. 2008. Oh, 1990. You can already hear the response, can't you? They're not trucks. Okay. How about that? That's a truck. And the good thing about this truck, it's got one of these. But I'm guessing someone who doesn't have a car license won't know what that is. But it does put a smile on your face. And no, you don't sit on it. Still not a truck? Twin stacks. 4 inches. I know women like 12, but this is girth. Still not a truck? Fifth wheel. Yeah, we only like our new stuff.